Hello friends, today we will learn how to make a snack diamond cuts. It is easy to make, crispy and tasty. In a bowl, add wheat flour, gram flour, semolina, salt, asafoetida, black pepper powder, dried fenugreek leaves, ajwain and clarified butter. Mix well, add water and make a firm dough. Rest for 10 minutes. Roll thin, cut into diamond shapes and prick with fork. Heat iron kadai and add oil. Fry the diamond cuts on medium flame till crispy and golden brown. For quantity of ingredients, please see description. Thank you for watching.